back with 843 TV, and we are at E0. I am with Sylvain Riendeau and Jean-Luc Riendeau. I'm delighted to be here to continue our conversation because we're talking about electric power. We're talking about how to make our lives more efficient, cost-effective, less noise pollution, and a lot more. So let's start with Jean-Luc. I know we have lots of different product lines with us, and I want people to understand how the application is. We all know about electric cars, right? And we talked about earlier, when everything was electric, it had a power cord to it, right? So when you had the chainsaw, you'd cut the cord and cut the tree and everything at the same time. Tell us what's happening now.
So now we have the ability we have all of your home landscape tools, so your hedge trimmers, pole saws, weed eaters, we even have robotic mowers now to where you don't even have to go outside and do your lawn care. And we actually have behind us, we have the EV jet ski. So there's a lot of different applications that they're promoting and expanding upon in the battery world.
I love it because number one, no sounds. Like everybody dislikes wave riders because they make such a terrible sound. This is like the horse whisper, right?
Oh yeah.
So it's a nice, because we are a water community and we have a lot of those watercrafts around. And I think a lot of the marinas will enjoy that. So this is the only place where you can purchase one, correct? Here on the island.
Correct. This is the only place right now. We added Tega probably 3 months ago, and so far it's been a great partnership with them. And we actually have one right beside Skull Creek Marina. Okay. So if someone wanted to try one out, just give us a call and we can let them try it out.
I recommend it. I think I just love to know that it's a quiet vehicle, machine. That's wonderful. So behind me also, there's a lot of products. So let's talk about this again, because I know you're the technical guy.
So Kress is a German company. They've been around for 50 plus years. They've only done battery stuff. And they are actually one of the leaders in battery technology right now. So anything that they do, they actually have a system to where their battery technology, their batteries for their blowers and their push motors and everything can be charged in 8 minutes. So you can get a 45 minutes, sometimes even for their bigger batteries, it's a 2-hour runtime for like a backpack blower. And then you can get an 8-minute charge time depending on the battery.
So I want to repeat that because people understand. So you can, use the leaf blower for 2 hours, stop, and then charge it for 8 minutes. And then that's almost like filling the tank up again. It takes 5 minutes to fill a tank.
But that's more on the commercial side.
Right.
Because, there's other components that come with the 8-minute charge. And that's something that Jean-Luc could talk about. But yeah, so commercially, yes. For individual, it would be possible, but the cost to invest into something like that would be so high just to get an 8-minute charge.
Okay, got it.
But this is why it's attractive for landscape companies.
In this area, there are not too many people that are doing their own landscaping and lawn care. So that's why for us in this area, there's 110 landscape companies, and it makes sense to do commercial landscaping and supply that material, the products for them.
What is one of the hardest things, the challenges that you have right now in coming and opening up your doors here? What's a challenge?
Getting our name out there. I mean, there's not too many people that know what we do and who we are still. Besides going door to door from landscape to landscape and introducing ourselves and showing them what battery technology is capable of, they don't know what the technology is out there.
Yeah, exactly. I mean, it's all very positive. As we close up, what else, one last thing we can share with our audience about the product line here? So far we've struggled with getting people to try the product. And so one of the great things about Kress is they do a 10-day trial. So if someone was interested for a landscape company per se, then they could actually come to us and we would let them borrow the equipment for up to 10 days. It's like test driving a car, but you get to get a good feel of what your savings are and what the equipment's capable of. You can't go wrong with that, for sure. I think that's a great policy. Yeah. Oh, gentlemen, it was very nice to meet both of you. Thank you for inviting us in. And we'll be right back with more 843 TV.